Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create your own calendar to sell on Amazon step by step. So whether you want to sell the printable planners, the wall calendars or desk calendars, this tutorial will show you exactly how to design, how to export and how you can prepare your file for Amazon KDP publishing. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you are ready to start earning passive income by selling simple products online, this is a great option or this is the great video that you can start with. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on amazon.com. Now, once you come over here, when you look for the calendars, you will find all of the physical products in it. Now, you won't be able to see any of the digital products on the Amazon.com website. So, first of all, we need to understand what is this business model exactly and how you can sell your calendars in the form of printables absolutely for free on Amazon.com. Now, selling calendar on Amazon is a part of print on demand business model. So you design the inside pages and the covers once, then you upload them to another platform of Amazon, which is called Amazon KDP. And every time someone buys your calendar, Amazon prints and ships it for you. The best part is that for this purpose, you don't need to handle any inventory, packaging, or any shipping. All you need is a clean design, correct page dimensions, and a professional cover. So here you can create all types of calendars like yearly wall calendars, monthly planners, inspirational quote calendars, fitness or meal tracking calendars. So once your file is ready, then you will be able to upload it on your Amazon KDP store. You can set a price for it and Amazon is going to handle the rest. Now, if we talk about the pricing, so creating and publishing your calendars on Amazon KDP is absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. All of the pricing that you are seeing over here is set by a seller like you, and they have created the printables ones, and Amazon is the one that is sending the product in the physical form to the consumers. So Amazon only going to deduct a small printing cost when your product sells and you keep the remaining royalty. On an average for a calendar which is priced at around $10, you are going to earn $3 to $4 per sale depending on the size and the page count. You can also sell both paperback planners and digital printable versions through your own store later. But for now, we are going to be focusing on the Amazon KDP only. So after this long intro, let's get into how you can get started with this platform. So to begin with, you need to open any of your favorite design tool. I know even if you are a designer or not a designer, you already know that Canva is one of the most popular platforms where you can basically create not only the calendars but anything like email, resume, posters, presentations. You can create anything. So here we are going to be using Canva. So with Canva you can create professional layouts for the calendars. There is no other software or any kind of design experience you require in order to get started with Canva. So once you are in, you can just simply start creating your new document. So here when you come on canva.com, you need to first of all click on the option of templates. Now the first thing that you can do here is you can directly search for the term calendar. Once you search for it, you will find a bunch of different calendar formats over here. As you can see, all of them are free, but the one that has this type of crown are for the Canva premium users. So here you can just take a look at any of the free calendars template which is available. So here, for example, let's say I'm interested in this one. So after clicking on the template in which you are interested, simply click on the option of customize this template. Now, if you are a designer and you want to design the calendar on your own, what you can do is you can just simply hover over to the top and click on the option of create a blank calendar. So what this is going to do is it is going to open a white blank canvas in front of you where you can just simply use your creativity then you can just start using the calendar. So I'm going to be showing you both of these methods of creating a high quality calendar. With this method, you don't need to basically manually add the KDP sizes, but let me show you what are the KDP sizes for the calendar or the printable. So it is going to be 8.5 by 11 inches, which will be the standard for the printable calendars and the planners. So if you are using any other tool, you can just simply use these pixels in order to get the right format for your planner. Now first things first, we have this template, and as you can see, it is ready on its own. Now in order to make changes into it, first of all select the template. After that, go to the design. Here you are going to see some of the premium templates and some of the relatable templates to the one that you have selected. So you can just scroll down a bit and take a look at if there is any other design you are resonating with. You can also come here in the layout section, and here in the layout section you will see the different types of pages and the layouts that you can basically add here in this calendar. For example, this is the front side of the calendar. In the back end, you want to add any of these elements from here, so you can click on any one of these and it will come here just like so. Now this styles tab is the one that I definitely want you to try. So once you come here on this styles tab, you will find a bunch of different already made or already built in templates. When you click on any of these, it is automatically going to change the style of the template that you have selected, meaning that you can just make it as per your own style, as per your own brand's palette. So this is the one that I really liked about Canva. You can just simply click and then it is going to change everything for you. So we all know that Canva can be accessible to anyone and anyone can use Canva. So with the help of the styles, what you can do is you can just simply make changes into the color palette so that it could come like you have created them on your own. So you can just simply select any of the designs that is available over here. For example, let's say I really liked this particular calendar design. Now in addition to it, if you want to make changes into any kind of elements that are present over here, you can just simply hover over to the elements section and you can look for any of the elements. For example, here we have pumpkin, I guess. So if I search for pumpkin, you are going to see this graphics tab. You can click on the graphics tab and here you can see we have a bunch of different pumpkins available. So I liked this one, let's say, and instead of this particular pumpkin, I'm going to be added this one. Now in order to change the color of it, you can just simply hover over to the top and you can make changes into the color of it and you can turn it into the yellow color. Now once you are done with your editing, simply click on the option of share on the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the option of download. Then the PDF print will be selected by default and I want you to just select it like so. Then click on the option of download and there you go, you have successfully created and downloaded your calendar printable, and now you can just simply start putting it on your Amazon KDP store. So once you come here on kdp.amazon.com, simply click on the option of join KDP. After that, you will have to provide the Amazon account credentials of yours. If you don't have an account here, you can just directly create one by providing your name, your email address and your password. So once you will have your Amazon KDP account, you just have to upload the printable that you have downloaded in the form of PDF basically, and you just have to follow certain instructions and submit your results. So once your calendar template is approved by Amazon, it will be visible on your storefront and it is going to take around 72 hours. And once it is done, you will be able to basically start selling your calendars here on Amazon.com very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.